Did you know that Google just installed a 4 GB AI model directly on your computer without your consent? The idea is that they can offload their electricity costs onto you so you can pay for some of your basic AI usage and processing on your computer. And here's the thing, I'm concerned about it because it's a privacy thing. Okay, there's privacy concerns, there's data use concerns around it, and disabling it is very difficult. You have to go into your Chrome flags and you have to search for all these different things to disable, and it's really technical, and just for the basic end user, it's just a headache. So today I just wanted to kind of talk about this. um, you know just the simple fact that they're installing this without your consent, that's a red flag already. Secondly, if you really want to get away from this, I do have to recommend the Brave browser. Okay, Brave is a browser that is focused on your privacy. Okay, your data. Okay, and that's super important, especially if you have kids that are using Google, or even on mobile. Like, this is available on mobile as well. Super important that you protect your kids as well, and using a different browser can do that. A lot of people on X are also talking about the Firefox browser. Okay, so you could go and get the Firefox browser, both desktop and mobile, and it doesn't have the same privacy and security out of the box as Brave, but they do have some extensions that you can easily download and install that will protect your privacy. So these are two other options. Okay, and I just wanted to share that because it's super concerning to me. Personally, I'm really tired of these big corporations thinking they can just scrape everybody's data, sell it, use it. I mean, it's just a mess. So, yeah, check out these browsers and see if you can protect your privacy. Check out the news articles. They're all over the internet right now. It's just, yeah, it's. I don't know what else to say here. I'm trying to hold my composure, but a lot of people may not care about this. Maybe you don't care about running an AI model and it, increasing your electricity bill because now your fans and your processors have to spin up to process more to do the same thing, or maybe you don't care about them continuing to harvest your data. And here's the catch too. Here's the other thing. A lot of governments are calling for, if you use AI, now you've got to be, they're talking about, oh, you got to be microchipped, you got to have biometric identity, you got to have all this other stuff. And, in my opinion, that's like mark of the beast type stuff in the Bible. So steering clear of that as much as possible. But the point is, they're going to add this silently to everybody's browser. And if you're not familiar with the Google Chrome market share, I think it's like 70%. Um, well, it's pretty close, yeah. So 70% of the worldwide browser users are using Chrome. So here we are, 70% of people are about to be forced into, mark of the beast type stuff with, microchipping and, fingerprinting and all this biometric identity. You know, it's about to get crazy, and they're going to do this silently like Google did first by installing the model, and then they can twist it on you and claim, oh, well, you're using this model, so you're required to do this by law. So, yep, just thought I'd bring some awareness. Check out those other browsers, they're free, and I hope they help you out. And thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe for more updates and keeping you safe and private. Take it easy. I'll see you in the next one.